army hearties.
Can I snore last night?
Yeah.
Can I talk?
Yeah.
Can I really?
Yeah.
I didn't even snore.
Oh yeah.
You're on a lay hound.
I'm not.
You didn't tell me.
Do you know what? I'm going to take it tonight. A little battle weary, but good. Glad I've got up.
Yeah, it's terrific. The weather's been brilliant considering how it started, but we're okay. We're twins and we're not fighting yet, so...
It's great, the ups and the downs, and everyone's in it together. You pull each other along. Your downs, you just think, well, you know, compared to the guys on handbikes, you've got nothing to complain about, and they just battle along continuously. So yeah, it's great.
Pretty good, pretty windy really, but all in all, you know, a good few miles.
I'm still dying. I'm knackered, but the sun's shining and it's all good. She's got it again for nothing, and it's actually I haven't done anything. Exactly. It's lovely. Bit of massage on the old boy's back as we go along.
I just say, keep telling her I've got a pain, but I haven't really. Just keeps moving around, you know.
Riding with some lovely people, beautiful.
How are you feeling today?
Fantastic. The red wine here is delicious.
Maybe I'm a masochist, but it's a terribly important thing to do. It's one of the most important causes around, so I'm all for it.
Morning.
Morning. How you doing?
Yeah, my left knee's aching a bit. How's the gun show going? The gun show's getting on.
I'm fine day for a ride in the countryside for a good charity cause. Help for Hero needs some more money.
Steady pace. The way forward.
Bit sore, but enjoying it every minute.
Slightly undulating was the understatement of the week, we think.
Everybody's got to have a midlife crisis. You could buy a Porsche, or you could ride a bike ride for Help for Heroes. And I thought that was a better thing to do.
I am going to make it, so you bet all my friends had better start sponsoring me.
Good actually, lovely day, quite windy but fantastic weather, loving it. Really good.
A long ride with a long headwind. Very nice, very refreshing.
I mean, they're just fantastic the way they get up those hills. I don't know how they do it. They have such strength of character, really.
A lovely train. Never mind. Never mind.
Amy!
Go, 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 go.